The stock fog lights in your 2015 to 2017 F-150 do their jobs fairly well, but they definitely aren't the most impressive things in the world. To really cut through the murk and give your F-150 massive amounts of light output from its fog lamps, you'll need Putco's Luminix High Output Fog Light Kit. This pair of total fog light replacements drop right into place of your factory fog lights without cutting and provide a massive boost in output of the tune of 2400 raw lumens. Underneath the truck, the stock fog lights can be unplugged. Then remove the alignment screw and spring from the housing. Around in the front of the truck, pry out the fog light from the side using a trim tool. You will have to work it out a bit and go from side to side until it pops out. Then it can be removed out of the front of the bumper. From the stock fog light, use pliers to remove the alignment screw tab. Onto the new fog lights, screw in the brackets with the supplied screws and lock washers. Then insert the alignment screw tab into the Putco bracket. Push the Putco fog light into the housing through the front of the bumper until it clicks into place. From underneath, reinsert the spring and the screw, then tighten the screw until the light is aligned to your liking. Plug the Putco light into the factory harness and you're good to go. The enormous amount of light from these fog lights is harnessed into a tight beam that provides much greater clarity and range than your F-150's factory fog lights and will let you and your truck see hazards both on the road and off before they become major problems.